I needed this today. So bad. This is so good.
What's up guys, it's Kat and Dev from Two Market Girls. Welcome back to another vegan recipe, and today I feel like this is the epitome of what TMG loves to make. We're making something comfort food, fast food that we veganize, and it's so good and I just want to eat it right now.
So good. It's like, I treated this thing like a baby today. Like, I was like food stylist, I was like doing it so carefully. I love this recipe. What did we make?
It's kind of weird because we've made so many things with this flavor profile already, and now we're just doing what it actually is.
Yeah, we've never actually done the original thing of what it is until, what, 4 years into this almost?
Weird flex, I don't know.
Okay, Devin, what did we make?
We made a vegan Big Mac.
Yeah. Like, there are a lot of recipes out there for a vegan Big Mac, and like the Big Mac sauce is out there, but like, we just it had to live on our channel too. It had to.
Yeah, why not?
I think for the longest time I didn't make a burger one because I was like, there's so many recipes out there, people can make it easily, but like, it just couldn't, like, our channel couldn't go on without a Big Mac recipe on here.
Yeah. I don't think that should stop us.
No. It's so good.
So like, I want to talk more, but actually I just want to get to the eating.
Yeah.
So maybe we should just go make it.
Yeah.
But make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss more vegan recipes. But let's just go make the burger. But subscribe, but the burger.
The burger. To make your vegan Big Mac, we're first gonna start off by making our Big Mac sauce. So we've made this a couple times, but I will reiterate it for you. You're basically going to add all your ingredients to a bowl and then just mix it all together. So to make a vegan Big Mac sauce, we're going to combine some vegan mayo, some yellow mustard, sweet pickle relish, some sugar, apple cider vinegar, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder, and then we're just gonna mix that until it's nice and combined. We're gonna set that aside. Next up, we're going to make our burger patties. You can use any vegan burger patties you want for this. I'm going to use the Beyond Beef and form my own patties so that you get those nice thin patties like you would get at McDonald's. So we're going to take some of the Beyond Beef and roll it into a ball, and then either just doing it by hand or you can use a cookie cutter like I did. You're going to shape your vegan beef into a thin patty the size of the buns that you have. You want it to be pretty thin if you're trying to mimic the McDonald's Big Mac. Then we're just gonna place that on some parchment paper so that it doesn't stick to any surface. We're gonna sprinkle with some salt and pepper on the sides that are exposed. Then we're gonna place the seasoned side down into the pan to cook. I'm just using a non-stick skillet on medium heat. And then you're gonna sprinkle some salt and pepper on the other side while the bottom cooks. Once you get a nice golden brown, it just takes a couple minutes or so. You're going to flip those patties and allow the other side to cook, and then to one of the patties per burger, you're going to add a slice of vegan cheddar cheese and allow that to melt on top. Once they're cooked, you just remove those from the pan and set them aside. Then we're going to take our buns that we're using and slightly toast them in that nice burger grease that has been left over for that delicious fast food style taste. So you just want to toast those buns slightly in your pan until they're nice and golden. Now remember, per burger there's 3 buns. So there's the top and the bottom, and then there's an extra piece in the middle. You can use bottom buns or bottom and top and just kind of cut it so that it makes sense for you. But you want to make sure you toast all of those. Then you're going to assemble your burger. So starting from the bottom, you're going to put your bottom bun on the board. Then we're going to add some of the Big Mac sauce. Then we're going to add some shredded lettuce. Then the patty with the cheese on it, then some diced white onions, the additional third bottom bun or whichever bun you're using for the middle, more Big Mac sauce, then more shredded lettuce, then some sliced dill pickles, the second patty without the cheese on it, some more diced onions, and then we're gonna top that with a bun, and you have the perfect Big Mac Copycat veganized. It's so good, and then just repeat that for your second burger. Don't forget to serve it with some shoestring fries and a soda or a Coke if you want to. All right, Okay, ready to eat this burger, Devin?
I don't know.
What did you use as
scared.
your patties?
Oh, I used Eve's because they didn't have any Beyond.
Got it. I used the Beyond Beef. It's pretty good.
Oh, okay.
Guys, I just want to show people what this, like, this looks like I just got it straight up from McDonald's. Like, what?
Mine doesn't, I don't think.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
I needed this today. So bad. This is so good. I know this is not a sponsored video with Beyond Meat and Beyond Beef, but like the burgers, like this tastes like a Big Mac. It is so good.
Yeah?
I'm so happy.
It's that sauce though. It's so simple, but it just, how is it so good?
Right? I'm spilling all over myself. But, you know, it's a Big Mac. That's what you gotta do. Oh my goodness. I don't even want to talk. I just want to keep eating.
I don't want to talk. You know what? Maybe we should just hand it over to you guys so that we can eat. But in the comments, I think everyone should talk about their favorite fast food burger that they want to veganize. Like the Big Mac is a pretty iconic one because of that sauce. But are there other iconic burgers that maybe we should veganize? Or that have been, that you love the recipe for? We'd love to try those too.
Kevin, is there one for you?
This would probably be it.
Yeah, like I have to admit, growing up, like we were a through and through McDonald's family, and I like almost only ever got Big Macs. So like I don't really know many other burgers, like famous fast food burgers.
Yeah, see, we don't know, but you can tell us and we'll try them.
Like I've never had Burger King that I can remember. I've had A&W burgers before, but you know, they already have Beyond Meat burgers in Canada, so don't need to do anything there. What other burger places are there?
I mean, there's like Wendy's and stuff like
I've
that.
never had
also,
Wendy's.
If I went somewhere like that, I was usually getting chicken.
Yeah, that seems like the thing. Maybe we can make some sort of Wendy's chicken burger.
I'm down for that. I'm so down for that. Yeah.
Because like the only other fast food item that I think like I really, really loved is popcorn chicken from KFC.
Yes.
But yeah, I want to hear everybody else's, especially like the States has so many other fast food places that we don't have, so I want to know those ones too.
Okay. As usual, the recipe will be linked in the description box below. There's also a link to our podcast. It's called Camera Eats First. It comes out every Monday. We talk about things like veganism, how we make our recipes, how we run our blog, keep you up to date on trending news topics in the vegan world. Go give it a listen. It's available everywhere that you get podcasts. There's also a link to our Patreon community. Our patrons are a lovely group of people that support the work that we do, and in exchange, we give them some bonus content. If you're able to support us, we really appreciate it. And if not, that's okay. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and share it with somebody who might enjoy a vegan Big Mac in their life. That's everybody.
Yeah. I really missed the Big Macs, man. They're so good.
I wish I had french fries like you do. I really want french fries now.
I'm so surprised I remembered before I planned grocery shopping to get french fries.
So smart. That's why you're in charge.
Not always smart. Okay. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.